Good morning. I am J. Celine Paparani, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Holy Cross College, Autonomous Narcoil. Now I am going to present the topic Population Ecology. Population Ecology, the branch of ecology which deals with the characteristic structure and regulation of population is called population ecology. Characters of population: population density, natality, mortality, population growth, age distribution of population, population fluctuation. Now I am going to explain about the population density. Population density refers to the size of any population in relation to some unit of space. It is expressed in terms of number of individuals or biomass per unit area or volume. Example, 500 trees per hectare. This picture shows the typical population of bird population. The increase in population may be due to population size, birth, immigration, death rate and emigration. This map shows the human population density are highest in the coastal regions of all countries. This bar chart shows that most of the human population is highly concentration in Asia, followed by Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Oceania. Measurement of density. Density is measured in two methods, total count method and sampling method. In total count method, direct counting of population is possible and it is possible for only few animals. Breeding colonies can be photographed and then later counted. Example for total count method is human population census and trees in a given area. In sampling method, it depends on the type of organism and its natural abundance and distribution. It is divided into two broad categories. First one is plot-based quarter method and capture-based method. Natality refers to the rate of reproduction or birth per unit time. It is an expression of the production of new individuals in population by birth, hatching, germination or fission. It can be calculated by the following formula. Mortality refers to the number of deaths in population per unit time. Mortality rate can be calculated by the following formula. Population growth. The growth is one of the dynamic features of species population. When the number of individuals of population is plotted on the y-axis and the time on the x-axis, a curve obtained is called a population growth curve. In sigmoid curve, when few organisms are introduced in an area, the population increases in very slow in the beginning, which is called as a lag phase. In the middle phase, it is called the log phase. And last phase is the population increase is slow down and it is called as negative acceleration phase. In J-shaped curve, in this curve, in first there is no increase in population size, then it starts multiplying in a new environment. After some time, food becomes a limiting factor which leads to the decrease in population size. Limits to population growth. There are two factors which limits the population growth. First one is density dependent factors. Second one is density independent factors. Age distribution. It influences natality and mortality rates. According to Bodenheimer, the individuals of population can be divided into pre-reproductive, reproductive, post-reproductive. Age of pyramids. Number of individuals in various ages groups at any given time are geometrically presented. Pyramids are of three types: pyramids with broad base, bell-shaped pyramid, pyramid with narrow base. Population fluctuations. The size and density of natural population show a changing pattern over a period of time. Types of fluctuations. Non-fluctuation, which means population remains static. In cyclic, variations may be seasonal and annual. Third one is interruptive. Change in population does not occur at regular intervals. Thank you for watching the video.